Hello everyone, this is Joe from the Art of Finance. I hope you are doing well. We are on 5th of November on non-farm payroll day. Just 2 hours later, we will receive the data of non-farm payrolls, and that will really impact the market. Many experts are waiting for a high chance of like a non-farm payroll data is going to high, and also decrease around 0.1 0.2 in unemployment rate. So we can see 4.6 4.7 something like this in unemployment rate. Even 4.5 is possible, because why I'm saying this one, because as you may follow on recent data, continuing jobless claims on Thursdays are happening on a decline for week in a row. So this is helping unemployment rate to go down. A lot of people are not claiming jobless benefits, and that is good for job market, for labor market. So it's expected, but the important data is non-farm payrolls. Expected number is 450,000 people to be get hired in October, and we will get these data this afternoon, and then it will affect definitely US market and global markets. If both of them, unemployment and people get hired, non-farm payrolls number comes positive, then we will see a dollar index go higher. All right, let's go to charts. So today we will cover three charts. One of them is dollar index, the other one is silver prices, another one is NASDAQ. NASDAQ is just keeping its high levels and growing so fast. We will talk about them, and then we will just check them as well. All right, as you can see here on dollar index chart, it's going high because of the expectation of high employment numbers and high non-farm payrolls. We will see probably high numbers of high valuation of dollar index, and it will also make impact on gold and euro dollar. So after data release, if you just see dollar index going up, then definitely just sell euro dollar and then sell gold. You make your money. It's all important. It's a good trading advice. As you can see here, that area, this 94.52 area is the first resistance right now. It will test those area. If it gets rejected from there, we will see lower levels, but first it will test with positive data. If we get negative data as well, our level will be, the first support level will be 93.88 area will be our first support area. Let's go to silver chart. Alright, we are on silver chart. As you can see here, silver is just moving that fast in these days, especially like right now. It's just waiting for news of non-farm payrolls. What can happen in silver? As I said, like if the positive data just arrives today, we will see decline. We will see a decrease in silver prices. The first support for silver prices will be 23.51 will be the first support. If it just goes up with a negative data, the first area will be definitely the close already. It's close already. 24.2 will be second, like the first resistance. And second one is 24.72. Those areas are critical. And if we just see another decline after, if I'm saying that if we see high probability positive data in non-farm payroll, then you can just sell that one until 23. Even we can pass the support level and it can test 23.20 as well is possible in silver, because on this point, as you can see here, it is testing on here rebounding area for silver. All right, let's look at NASDAQ. All right, last chart of the day is NASDAQ. Actually, we were expecting in a tight channel, and then at some point it will be make a reaction, because the volatility on this area in the first 3-4 days of November was so low. After tapering is so less, NASDAQ said, all right, there is nothing in our prospect, there is nothing in our future important, so let's go ahead and rise again. Everybody was expecting really high numbers of tapering, and it didn't happen. So money injection to market is happening and then just going on. This is the most important factor to make the NASDAQ rise higher. And the data today, non-farm data, if we just receive good positive data, we may see 16,500 levels. Even this is possible because the volatility and the rally on upside is just going high. But don't forget, I'm just showing you something. RSI is right now is higher than 80. It's right now 84 level. So that means a correction is inevitable. If we just receive a negative data today, that will be the key element for this one. So please just be cautious on this one. And as you can see from this point, from 14,600 area, it's only rising. No correction, no decline. It's only rising. And in economy, these kind of things are not that good, and then we don't expect this goes on forever. At some point it will just go down. When you see the signals, you can just definitely sell your position, and you can just make good money on this one. So please just wait for that signal, and then when you just see that one, you can just sell that. And as I said, today's non-farm payroll data may be that signal. For example, if you see less people get hired, and also unemployment rate goes a bit higher, that's definitely a good environment to sell NASDAQ. All right, let's close the video. Thank you so much for watching. We will be together on more videos, and then we will talk about more analysis this afternoon, especially after non-farm payroll data. We will close the week. Have a nice day. Bye.